The following question is related to cracking of alkanes. And the question states that when cracked 1 mole of compound X, so there's a compound X, and it produces 1 mole of propene and 1 mole of hydrogen. And he's asking what is this, what is the formula of X, and what type of compound is X. So the first thing we're going to do is, remember, cracking is the process when one large molecule breaks up into smaller chunks or smaller pieces. So this time X breaks up into propene C3H6 and a molecule of hydrogen. So X would be, you just need to sum them up, and that would be the formula of X. So there would be 3 carbon atoms and 6 plus 2 hydrogens. That would be 8 hydrogen atoms. So X has a formula which is C3H8. Now I need to figure out which of the compounds is X going to be. So I'm going to write the general formulas of each of the compounds. Alcohols have a general formula of CnH2n plus 1 OH. Now alcohols have an O group, oxygen OH group. Clearly this X doesn't have any oxygen, so alcohol is definitely an incorrect answer. Similarly, carboxylic acids also have the formula of carboxylic acid is going to be CnH2n plus 1 COOH, and again it's going to have oxygens in it, so our compound X doesn't have any oxygen, so get rid of carboxylic acid. That's not possible. So we're left with an alkane or an alkene, whether it's an alkane or an alkene. Alkanes have a general formula of CnH2n plus 2, whereas alkenes have a general formula of CnH2n. Now if you look at this formula C3H8, this formula fits with the description of an alkane, that if I take n equal to 3, so that would be 3, so it's going to be C3 because n is 3, and H would be 3 into 2 is 6, 6 plus 2, that's 8, and that would give me H8. So the general formula C3H8 fits this general formula over here, so it's definitely an alkane, and an alkane is being cracked, C3H8, and it's forming an alkene, it's C3H6. So an alkene has a general formula of CnH2n, where the number of carbon atoms, the number of hydrogen atoms are double the number of carbon atoms. So C3H6 is an alkene, but C3H8 is an alkane. So option B is the correct option for this question.